Okay there, nothing particularly new here. This is model railway block detection using IR sensors. People have seen this before, other forums. Just a quick demo. The LED represents signal, or in my case, power to a track in a diamond crossing. So your loco passes over one sensor, turns off power, exit the junction, power comes back on again. It also works in the other direction. Loco enters from this direction, sensor activated, exit the junction, sensor comes back on. Now, as you can see, they already demonstrated the problem there. The problem here is that, pause there. The problem here is that I'm using a code previously used for reed switch. So with a reed switch, you're just going to have one single pass of a magnet over the at the front of the loco. With the IR sensors, you're going to have possibly multiple passes with carriages over it. So therein lies the problem. So I've got another code that I'm going to show you shortly and see how that works. So the problem is multiple passes between the gaps and carriages is going to turn it on and off. Okay, this is the other code with the Arduino. So goes off, comes back on again after a bit of delay. There's a delay in program. Works from the other side, goes off, and comes back on again. So goes off, but if we have multiple passes here, representing gaps in the carriages, it doesn't do anything. It has to go over this side before it comes back on again, and that's quite effective. Now I'm just going to show you a circuit diagram and some of the code. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. I don't know how to include this as an attachment in YouTube, so I'm just holding it there for people to see if you want to get more detail. What do we got here? There's our relay, Arduino, and our sensors there. Just going to show you the code now. Again, I know I should be able to attach this, but I don't know how to do that with YouTube. I'm sorry about that. But this is not my code. I got it off from another YouTuber, but I thought it was very good, and I just modified it for my particular operation. What's good about it is the code effectively knows where the loco is by using this switch case function. And as you can see, you have several cases there. You've got not in junction coming from the upside, in junction coming from downside, and still in junction. And the thing about the code is it holds, if you like, it sends the rest of the program to particular places in the code depending on where the loco is. So once the loco comes into the junction from the upside, the code effectively remembers it's coming in from the upside and won't activate the relay until it goes out the downside. And this is where this case switch coding works, and it does the same in the other direction. If the loco comes in from the downside, the program, if you like, holds that state and won't activate the relay for the LED until it goes out the other side. So I don't know if this is very useful showing it like that, but it's very similar to a code I've seen by another guy. Maybe you can slow down your YouTube and see what's going on there. If I switch to the other page, sorry about this, but it's the best I can do. Boo. There you go. Again, nice and slow. Anyway, that's it. Thought that might be of interest to people who watch this channel.